families, second grade families. Just finished our first day, and first let me say just how proud of each and every student and family member that was online today. You guys made today truly special and incredible. I'm walking back from the 3-8 building right now, just telling everybody about how awesome my class is right now. So from the bottom of my heart, I am so thankful that each and every one of you is in my class. So I'm here today with a recap of what we learned in class and what you can be doing tonight. So the first thing that was discussed today are the rules and procedures for our class. Now the following slides should look familiar. We went over them during our open house as well as in earlier videos. So we'll go ahead and play those. But we predominantly focused on being polite, being respectful with each other in class. When someone else is talking on Zoom, we're not. Everyone's going to get their chance to share. So that was the first thing that we both did in math and in ELA, science, and social studies. Their specials for the day were gym, physical education, and music. And let me tell you, they did an incredible job today, both the teachers as well as the kids. They were engaged, they were participating, and it sounded like they were having a great time being introduced to these teachers and learning some basic skills. So in Miss Winter's math class, they talked about what concepts they're going to be learning this year and possible introduction to the Eureka system that we're going to be using. Nothing into too much detail. They focused a lot on something we're going to talk about later, and that is the getting to know you part of the class. And that's one thing we both thinks is so important, that our students get to know each other and get to know us as well. In ELA, we talked about the 3 concepts that we're going to be predominantly focused on this year, and that is reading, spelling, and writing. And I even shared a story with them of my weekend, a couple weekends ago, just to show them some of the technological projects that they're going to be doing as we go through the year. It was merely an introduction, though their homework is, and if you missed class today, your homework tonight is to share with me your favorite thing. You can either write about it or you can draw a picture of it. But tomorrow in class, we're going to discuss your favorite thing. And once again, it's one of those things where we get to know our kids, we get to know our students, and we can move on from there. So tomorrow I will be looking for either their writing for it, which does not have to be long. It could be 1 or 2 sentences, or a picture, or they can do a combination of both. But I want to know what their favorite thing is, because they're going to be hearing a lot of my favorite things. And in science, it was pretty much hype. We were just talking about what we're going to be doing this science, how excited I am to teach science this year. I introduced them to one of the projects that we're going to be doing together, just to get everyone excited about what science is going to look like this year. Now, it's going to look a little bit different, where we're going to be doing a lot of experiments at home while I do them here. So I encourage you, families, do these experiments together. They're a lot of fun. And the one thing that I really was pleased with was after I talked about and showed one of the experiments I did, 90% of the students had a ton of questions. And if we know anything about science, it's about answering and asking those great questions to help us learn a little bit better. So like I said before, I am so excited for your student and my student to experience science here at GPA this year. And that was it. That was our first day. It went by so quickly, but I'll tell you what, I had so much fun teaching today. It has been a while since I've been able to teach, as well as the students have been there to learn. Hopefully they had as much fun as I did. They got to know each other. They got to know me a little better. They got to know Miss Winters a little bit better. If you have any questions, contact me through Class Dojo. And have a great night. I cannot wait to see everybody tomorrow.